Do you want to hide Reels on Facebook from someone? You can hide a Facebook Reel video from a specific person with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to hide Reels on Facebook from someone. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To hide your Facebook Reels from someone. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on Create a Reel to record or upload a video from your device. You can create it from the home screen or from your profile page. Now, a new screen will appear where you can record a video or select one from your device gallery. After selecting your video, you can add stickers, music, text, and more to your reel, then tap on the next button. Below the caption section, you will see the option Who can see this reel? On the right side, it may show Public or Friends with a down arrow. Just tap on it. Now, a pop-up screen will appear. From here, select Friends Accept. In the new screen, you will see a list of friends. Select the friends you want to hide this Reel video from. You can select a friend or multiple people. Once selected, tap on the Done button at the bottom of the screen. Again, tap on the Done button. Now, add a caption, tag people, and tap on the Share Now button to publish this Reel video, except for the selected people. Now all friends and followers will see your Reels except the person that you selected before.